Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try this Korean cream cheese garlic bun. A burger bun filled with sweetened cream cheese brushed with garlic butter spread. Let's see how to make this delicious snack. Let's start making the burger buns. Into a bowl add all-purpose flour, sugar, milk powder, instant dry yeast and mix it together. Add some salt, some butter, now pour some warm milk and water mix. Mix it nicely until it forms a soft dough. Now cover the bowl, keep it aside for 1 hour till it gets double in size. After 1 hour, take out the dough and deflate it. Now take small portions of the dough, shape it into a bun. Make sure there is no cracks on top. Place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Keep it aside for 30 minutes for second proofing and then give an egg wash on top, which will help the buns to get that beautiful golden brown shade on top. Now bake this at 180-degree preheated oven for 20 minutes and the buns are ready. Apply some butter on the buns when it is hot. This will make sure the buns will become really soft once it cools down. Cover it and keep it aside. Meanwhile, let's make the cream cheese filling. Add some cream cheese onto a bowl and whip it. Add some fresh cream, some powdered sugar. Now blend everything really well till it becomes nice and creamy. Transfer that into a piping bag and keep it aside. Now into some melted butter, add chopped garlic, chopped coriander leaves and 1 egg. Mix it nicely and the butter spread is also ready. Now take each bun and give some slits on top. Add the cream cheese filling on these cuts. Now dip this upside down in the butter mix and keep them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. And bake it again for 10 minutes. Now our cream cheese Korean buns are ready. It's super easy to make, very tasty and delicious. When you open the bun, you can see the cream cheese filled inside. It's really tasty. Do try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.